to Helen Chemistry channel. In this session we are going to discuss the topic salt hydrolysis. When ions of salt combine with H plus and OH minus ions of water, that reaction is called salt hydrolysis. There are four types of salts: strong acid plus strong base, do not undergo hydrolysis; weak acid plus strong base; strong acid plus weak base; weak acid plus weak base. This shows hydrolysis. First example, salts of strong acid and strong base. HNO3 is a strong acid, NaOH is a strong base. So NaOH reacts with HNO3, we are getting NaNO3 and H2O. On dissociation of NaNO3, we are getting Na plus NO3 minus ion. On dissociation of H2O, we are getting H plus and plus OH minus ion. So the salt of ions react with the ions of water, that is called salt hydrolysis. So these are the salt ions, these are the water ions. So these salt ions reacts with the water ions, that is called salt hydrolysis. Here NO3 is a conjugate base of HNO3 and have no tendency to react with the H plus. Na plus is a conjugate acid of NaOH and have no tendency to react with the OH minus ion. So H plus equal to OH minus. So pH will maintain and solution is neutral. Strong acid and strong base do not undergo hydrolysis. Okay. Weak acid, weak base only undergo hydrolysis. Next example, hydrolysis of strong base and weak acid. Okay. Here strong base is NaOH, weak acid acetic acid CH3COOH. CH3COOH react with NaOH, we are getting sodium acetate CH3COONA plus H2O liquid. This CH3COONA on dissociation we are getting CH3COO minus plus Na plus aqueous. This H2O on dissociation we are getting H plus OH minus ion. I already told that weak acid only undergo hydrolysis. So this CH3CO minus reacts with the H plus ion which we get from the water. CH3CO minus plus H plus, we are getting CH3COOH. So the forward reaction is most, the backward reaction less. So this undergo hydrolysis. Okay. Na plus do not undergo hydrolysis because that is strong base. Okay. Then for the equation of hydrolysis, CH3COO minus plus H2O, we are getting CH3COOH plus OH minus. So OH is greater than H plus, the solution is basic, pH will be greater than 7. Okay. Then relation between equilibrium constant and hydrolysis constant. So you have to write hydrolysis constant for this equation. So concentration of CH3COOH minus COOH, then OH minus divided by concentration of CH3CO minus. H2O value will be 1. Then for this equation you have to write this one, CH3COOH, we are getting CH3CO minus plus H plus. So Ka value for acid constant for CH3COO minus H plus divided by CH3COOH. Then on multiplying KH into Ka, we are getting cancellation of CH3, COOH, CH3CO minus takes place. So remaining balance OH minus into H plus. So Kw equal to KH H plus into OH. So KH into Ka equal to Kw. The OH value will be root of KH by C. Sorry, KH into C. So this is the hydrolysis equation. The initial concentration of CH3CO minus taken as C. This is 0, 0 at equilibrium. C minus CH, CH, CH. KH equal to CH, CH divided by C minus CH. So on simplification we are getting KH equal to CH square. 1 minus H will be 1. So we are getting C equal to KH equal to CH square. Then H equal to KH by C. Okay, then OH equal to CH. Here OH value what? CH. Okay, on substituting this value here, then H plus CH equal to KW. H plus CH equal to KW. Then H plus equal to KW into CH. We are substituting H value here. H value in this equation. H plus equal to KW by C into root of KH by C. We are getting KW divided by C root of KW divided by KA dot C. Okay, here we are putting the KH value for here. How would we get that? KH into Ka equal to KW, KH equal to KW by Ka. Okay. Then pH of salt solution in terms of Ka and concentration of the electrolyte. pH equal to POH, we are getting 14. Then pH equal to 14 minus POH. On taking logarithm, pH equal to 14 minus of minus log OH minus 14 plus log OH. pH equal to 14 plus log OH value. What is the OH value? KHC root of KH. So KH dot C power 1 by 2. pH equal to 14 log KH value. We already find out in the previous one. KW by Ka into C 1 by 2. On taking this, we are getting pH equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa plus 1 by 2 log Kc. Okay, here Kw is 10 power minus 14. We are getting minus 7 value. So 14 minus 7 1 by 2 log Kc log minus log Ka equal to Ka plus pKa. So remaining balance pH equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa 1 by 2 log C. Then hydrolysis of strong acid and weak base. HCl reacts with NH4OH. We are getting NHCl and H2O. NH4Cl on dissociation we are getting NH4 plus ion and Cl minus ion. H2O on dissociation we are getting H plus ion and OH minus ion. Here NH4 plus is a strong acid of weak base and easily combined with the OH to form unionized NH4OH. So here Cl do not undergo hydrolysis because that is strong acid. So equation of hydrolysis NH4 plus H2O equilibrium NH4OH plus H plus ion. So H plus is greater than OH minus. So this is acidic. pH less than 1. KH into Ka equal to Kw. You already know that KH value we already derived in the previous one. H2C. Sorry, H squared C. Then H value will be root of KH by C. Then H plus equal to root of KHC. Okay. You know that in the previous one we are getting OH equal to root of KHC. But in this H plus equal to root of KHC. Then H plus equal to root of KH value will be what? KW by KB into C. Okay. Then pH equal to minus log H plus equal to minus log KW by KB C into 1 by 2. Okay. What is the minus log equal to KHC power 1 by 2. So what is the value of KH? KW by KB into C into 1 by 2. So pH equal to minus log KW minus 1 by 2 log Kc plus 1 by 2 log Kb. So we are getting the value. Okay. On substituting the KW value 10 power 14, we are getting 7 and log Kb, that is pKb minus pKb. So minus 1 by 2 pKb, then plus minus 1 by 2 log Kc. On hydrolysis of weak acid and weak base, acetic acid NH4OH, reaction of acetic acid and NH4OH, we are getting CH3COO NH4 plus H2O. On dissociation of this, we are getting CH3 COO minus and NH4 plus, and dissociation of H2O we are getting H plus and OH minus ion. Here both are weak, so these two ions, this NH3 COO minus and NH4 plus can react with the ions of water. So CH3COO minus plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus H2O, NH4 plus H2O, we are getting NH4OH plus H plus. So nature of solution depends on the strength of acid or base. If solution is acidic, Ka greater than Kb, pH less than 7. If solution is basic, Ka greater than Kb, pH less than 7. If solution is neutral, Ka equal to Kb. So we can find acid equilibrium constant for this equation and base equilibrium constant of this equation. So Ka and hydrolysis constant for this equation. So Ka into Kh into Kb equal to Kw. Then pH of solution will be 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa minus 1 by 2 pKa. Okay. Thank you.